Hey, welcome back to the channel. First, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. And I'm going to get right into the video. I have 7 sneakers here. I've sold more of my sneakers. I found some good deals. There's a lot of variety here, just like with my whole collection. And let me know what you think about these. Alright, so I did collect all these over the past few months, and I will start with this honorable mention. I got these Adidas Superstar in collaboration with Craig Green for my father for his birthday. I'm not gonna lie, these are really sick, very lightweight, different to any other Superstar, and they do look very cool on feet. And now let's continue with the sneakers I got for myself. This is the Adidas Supernova 2 with Parlay. Not a lot to say about them, they were extremely cheap and I always liked this design. It looks a bit like a Hoka and Asics mix. But sadly, these are made in the classic, shitty Adidas style where the midsole is a lie and the feet go halfway down in it. Also, this boost is really weird, very hard and smooth. So I really wanted another 361 degrees sneaker, and when these Flame 2.5 were more than 50% off, I had to get this fire colorway. They do have a major issue, the sizing is completely wrong, the label says 43 Europe, but they are actually size 42. A huge issue, and the idiot employees don't really want to take the responsibility. So I need to wear them with no insoles. Also, they have a very horrible heavy cheap glue stench. And this is the Reebok Experiment 4 Trail Fury. I've been stocking this model for years, literally. I got them from Sports Direct though, which has a major issue with the sizing showing on the website. So these are slightly bigger, but I'm sure it's gonna be a great fall-winter sneaker boot. I'm not sure about all the added panels these have. There are some really questionable design choices here. Okay, so I don't have an Ultra Boost 22 in my collection, but when I found these women's Stella McCartney Ultra Boost 22 in my size on StockX for a stupid price, I had to get them. I think they are really cool. I bet the idea was to make a puffer jacket for the feet. I do know from the ones that my brother has that this boost is another lie. Again, the feet go in halfway. And this is the One Mix Tupo, not the Light Armor 2024 like I thought. I absolutely love these. Much better than the Light Armor, they are way lighter, way more comfortable, the midsole seems to be more squishy, the toe box is reinforced. The only issues are the horrible tongue and the fact they were sent in a bag. But hey, free socks in a cool pouch? Sure. I will do a short video comparing these two. Alright, so this is the Oakley Flesh. Not a lot to say about these. This is the normal version of the Flesh sandal. I went a half size up in these, which was a great decision. These have the same thick-ass insole as the sandal version, and going a half size up leaves actual room inside for the toes. I honestly cannot comprehend how some dickwads on YouTube say you need to go a size down in these. Seriously, how small and thin are your feet? I don't really like this lazy design with the huge panels on the upper, but these still look cool as fuck from above, and they were 70% off. And finally, probably my new favorite sneaker right now. I absolutely love these. I don't have any animal print stuff in the collection, and this Adidas and Stella McCartney Court slip-on is a nice addition. Plus they look a bit like the Y3 Tangutsu, another one of my favorite sneakers. And they look a bit like the Givenchy George V or George 5 sneaker. Anyway, that is the video. Let me know which one of these is your favorite. Let me know if you have any questions. And thank you for watching.